Hello friends, today we're going to listen affirmations for partner. Before we listen to this affirmation, please make sure that you are at a calm space and or you can close your eyes, lie down, take deep breath and relax yourself and listen to the affirmations for partner. I have the best partner with me in my life, always. I am blessed with my best partner for myself. He, she, and myself is also a partner for me in my life. My partner loves me and I love him or her too. My partner takes care of me and I take care of him or her too. Our body, mind, soul is just together, being together. Our relationship is as strong as the mountain and as deep as the deepest sea of the world. I'm happy, satisfied, and always contented with the power of our relationship. I choose to have the right partner at the right time, and each breath I take, I fill it with gratitude for my partner. I'm grateful to my partner to love me, support me, allow me being me, and live my life in abundance of everything. Abundance of love I have with my partner. I choose to laugh, enjoy, have fun, communicate, and create things together. We evolve in this relationship so gorgeously. We bloom just like those flowers blooming together and creating strong, positive, beautiful vibes. I have all the abundance of positive vibes with my partner in my life. I know I'm worth of those beautiful abundance of positive vibes. We choose to understand each other. We choose to be always understanding. We choose to understand each other well, like the universe understands the power of nature, like they are one. Like this nature and universe is just one, like we are one, and maintaining each other's strengths in our own world. My individuality and its individuality is respected and loved in abundance. I have the best times always with me, and I choose to have an incredible, beautiful, and great relationship with an amazing chemistry in this lifetime with him or her, as I know I'm worth of receiving the best always. We help each other, support each other, love each other, and become the strongest pillar of each other's life to stand together and walk with love, with gratitude, and with the intent towards the purpose of life, of creating happiness for others and for ourselves.